we've still got templates of communications and products that we built years and years ago that continue to function, that we continue to iterate and build upon, but we've never had to touch the underlying logic. So that backward compatibility is a huge piece of what allows us to keep moving forward and not go back and have to rebuild things that we've already done before. And that's something that we don't take for granted. Certainly, it kind of validates the investment that we made in that infrastructure decision years and years ago, and we found that that is paid off in dividends over time rather than being a depreciable asset that we have to continue to maintain and build against. Um, so if you're really evaluating kind of long-term decisions and platforms, that backward compatibility really speaks volumes about the kind of partner you want to work with and the kind of platforms that you want to build from the beginning that you can grow your company on.